Hello there, it's Dean Odell with 7 Gables Real Estate in the Odell Group. It is October 15th and it's time for another episode of Tustin Talks. And while we're talking about that, we are going to be moving our YouTube channel for Tustin Talks. We're going to have our own YouTube channel instead of combining it with the Odell Group channel, which is where we house all our listings and marketing materials. And the reason we're doing that is we have to market our listings a certain way, and the way we market this channel versus the way we market our listings differs a little bit, so there's kind of a conflict there. So we will be moving to our own YouTube channel for the Odell Group. So for our nearly 2,000 subscribers, you're gonna have to subscribe to that new channel to be automatically notified. So I know you're here to watch this week's Tustin Talks. Let's click on our new channel right here and we'll get you over there. Make sure you subscribe once you get there. Okay, let's get started on this week's Tustin Talks.